Hello friends, welcome back. Yesterday we have discussed about one strategy for intraday using EMA 200 and parabolic SAR. So today I'll give you a couple of examples because today it has given I have done two intraday trades in two stocks using the same strategy. So I'll show you them. And if you have not yet watched the previous video, I'll provide you the link in the description. You can watch that video. Okay, let's go. So I already created a template for that. So using Zerodha. So this is what the setup is. If you see, okay. So Dr. Reddy's is clearly trading below 200 EMA of the 5 minutes chart, and SAR is above the price. Okay, today let's start. Today the first shot came around 9:35 candle. So here is the 9:35 candle. So if you see that open price of this candle is 4880.85. Okay, for the purpose of rounding, let's say we went short around 4880. So till this candle around 11:30 it is trading below the parabolic SAR. So when it closed, that is closed around 4800. So we got a 80 points profit on this trade. Okay, and then we hit stop loss, or we call it also as trailing stop loss. And then the next trade come around 11:45. In the next 10 minutes, after 15 minutes, our second trade came. The opening price of 11:45 candle is 4795, and then it lasted till 13:40, that is 1:40 p.m. The close of that candle is 4680. So for the sake of simplicity, let's say that we have exited around 4680. Okay, and then third trade came around 2 o'clock. Here we shorted around open price of 4661, and then we exited here at the close of 4652. So it is a short trade, but still we made some profit. And then again a trade came here around 4618 short at 3:05 p.m. And then if you had have exited here, that is close of 4624. So we would have lost 6 points there. Okay, altogether we got 1 2 3 4 trades in Dr. Reddy's. 3 trades given profit, 1 trade given stop loss, that is very small. Okay, so let's go and we'll see how we made here. Okay, so first trade here is 4880, exited around 4800, that is plus 80. And then second trade we shorted around 4795, and then we exited around 4680, that is 100 plus 1.5 points. Okay, and the third trade is 4661, we shorted and exited around 4653. The fourth trade is, so here we got plus 8 points. And then the fourth trade is short around 4618 but exited around 4624, so it is a loss of 6 points. So altogether it is 195 minus 2 plus 193 points only today, that is 29th January 2021. And if you do futures, I think it is the lot size of 250, so you would have made somewhere around 48 to 50k. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, next I have also seen similar setup in Tata Chemicals. Okay, let's go this. Tata Chemicals has overall given two trades. First trade is around 925 candle, so it is this candle. The opening price is of 490.81, so let's say 491 we shorted, and then we exited on this candle. The close is 480.4. So, and then second trade came here at opening price of 481, and it lasted till end of the market, so let's say that we closed at 474. So there are two trades which are simple. So in this first trade is around, we shorted around 491, and then exited around 480, so we gained plus 11 points. And then again we shorted around 481, we exited around 474, so we made 7 points here. So it is overall 18 points, and Tata Chemicals future lot size is 2000, that is 36,000. So these are the two trades I have observed today. There might have been many, but we don't take many trades. We will watch the scripts, we'll be doing trade on them regularly, and we will be only doing trades within those scripts. So altogether we would have got around 80,000 simply just by following this simple strategy if you are a futures and options trader. Thank you.